Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we're going to draw and color pizza. Let's start drawing. First, we draw the toughest part of the pizza dough. This pizza will be a mixed pizza with olives, peppers, mushrooms, and corn. Next, we draw the melted cheese on the pizza. Here it is, the tomato sauce. We're drawing cute eyes on the pizza. And smiley face. Now, here's the most fun part. We're drawing the toppings on the pizza. First one is olives. Peppers. Mushrooms. Corns. Great! We finished drawing pizza. Let's start coloring. Brown for pizza dough. Red for the tomato sauce. Dark brown for olives. Brown for mushrooms. Green for peppers. Yellow for corns. Black and red for smiley face. Yellow for melted cheese. Perfect! We've finished drawing and coloring mixed pizza. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!